Hi, I'm Jesse Forney with the Santee Fire Department. Join us for our annual open house October 12th from 10 to 2. We're going to have face painting, live demonstrations, firefighter combat challenge, raffles, and many more activities. October is National Fire Prevention Month, and this year's safety message is not every hero wears a cape. Practice and plan your escape. It's very important that you and your family practice and plan your escape if you do have a fire incident. Make sure you have 2 ways in and out of your room. Additionally, when you have that incident, make sure you have a nice safety point outside where you're going to meet your family. Join us for our open house October 12th from 10 to 2 and have some fun with us.